What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today. We're going to be going over some technicals, and we're also going to be going over what exchanges are actually saying about Baby Doge. So this is a pretty significant video. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. So let's go straight over Baby Doge. The first thing we got to talk about here is the selling volume. We actually have some selling volume forming up here on the oscillator. So you can see the selling volume forming up. On top of that, the 24-hour market control is also in control by the bears by 80%. So it's showing that we're 80% bearish. In the supply and demand area here, this whole red area is we're having a hard time trying to get above it. So we're actually staying below this area. And right now what you're seeing with Baby Doge is slowly but surely trying to inch back up there. But if we get rejected again at this red supply and demand of less demand, then what we'll see is Baby Doge going down here to the 2.8 area and probably stopping around there. Remember, we had significant support down here at 2.8. So we could see that same support happening again with Baby Doge. But what we do know, one thing's for sure. If we go up here to this supply and demand area of less demand and we get rejected at 31.50, if we get rejected at 31.50, we know 2.8 is going to be coming pretty soon after that. But look, if we can actually break past this 31.50 area, you're going to see Baby Doge get up here to this resistance here. And this resistance is actually around 32.50. And if we can break 32.50 and get up here, we'll have a hard time trying to get above 33. And then after 33 and 34, eventually we can try to get up to this next area of less demand. We do have less demand over this area here. So if we can get above 3.6, then we will see the 3.8 resistance. But everything in the crypto market is literally down. So the only thing that's really going to help us is hype for Baby Doge. You can get some kind of hype in the media or something like that. That'll help Baby Doge rise. So right now, everything's on the downtrend. So we're definitely going to see Baby Doge on the downtrend as well until something comes into play, like more hype for Baby Doge or a new listing, which we're going to be talking about because we just got a new listing. And there's so much going on for Baby Doge. It's like the technicals show bearish movement, but the fundamentals show bullish movement for Baby Doge. The fundamentals, as in the exchange listings, we got DeFi protocols coming out for Baby Doge right now. We got a lot of different stuff coming for Baby Doge. And when I say DeFi protocols coming out for Baby Doge, look at this. Doge protocol, new listing. Baby Doge perpetual futures is live. Available base tokens. Here are all the available base tokens there. But look, this new listing is about to be huge. Perpetual futures for Baby Doge. So let's go over here and kind of just read about it. So about Doge protocol. Doge protocol equals perpetual futures or futures plus everlasting options x decentralized. So this is really big for Baby Doge. The fact that we just got listed here, like if people start trading Baby Doge on margin, like that's just going to be huge. But anyways, Doge is a DeFi or the DeFi way to trade derivatives. So to hedge and to speculate into arbitrage all on chain. So with Doge protocol, trades are executed under the AMM paradigm and positions are tokenized as NFTs, highly composable with other DeFi projects. So having provided an on-chain mechanism to exchange risk exposures precisely and capitals efficiently, Doge protocol has mentioned one of the most important blocks of the DeFi infrastructure. And we literally just got listed to Doge protocol. So this is really big. So I don't know. If people don't see the potential here with Baby Doge, like after something like this, I don't know if you'll ever see it. But anyways, the minimum trading volume for this is about 100 billion is showing. Actually, no, that's 1 trillion. Yeah, that's a billion, actually, not 100 billion. That's 1 billion for the trading volume minimum. So the funding rate coefficient is right here, 3.85. Is initial margin ratio 10%, and the maintenance margin ratio is 5%. Transaction fee of 0.2%. So just the fact that Baby Doge is on an actual DeFi protocol here, Doge listing, this is huge. Like I don't know. I'm surprised right now that Baby Doge is literally breaking these kind of milestones, even though I've always been bullish with Baby Doge. But just seeing this is huge right now. So let's go over some other stuff for Baby Doge. So anyways, everyone seems crazy in love with Baby Doge. That's what BitGet just now said about Baby Doge. Everyone definitely seems in love with Baby Doge. So exchanges are starting to show love for Baby Doge as well. So not only is Baby Doge seeing love from the community, but exchange is also showing Baby Doge love. So that's really big stuff right there. I'm definitely really happy with that. But anyways, over here you can see that if we do hit this 3-2 area, or the 3-150 area, and we get rejected, just know that 2-8 it's probably going to be short lived. If we hit 2-8, we're probably going to have an immediate rise, just like how we did here. But look, if we go below 2.8 and hit 2.4, then we'll have an even faster rise. So I think 2.4 is a better support. Honestly, we already had huge support at 2.8. We went up, we pumped, and then we got rejected and we dumped a little bit. So if the same thing happens again, if we go back to 2.8, we may see the same thing happen. But if we go down to 2.4, that's going to build up more demand for Baby Doge. So if we go down to 2.4, we can see an even bigger pump because more people will be dumping money into Baby Doge because it's such a high discount. So what we really want to see is this 2.4 support. So if we hit the 2.8 support, right? I know I'm going over a lot of different scenarios here, but look, if we hit the 2.8 support and then we pump back up to 3.2 and then we get rejected at 3.2, I really hope we do, because if we do, we go down here to the area of 2.8. If we hit the 2.8 area, then that means we're going to have so much demand for Baby Doge. Honestly, just look at the demand that we had for Baby Doge way back here. So let's just go back and look at the demand for Baby Doge around 2.8. Look, the second Baby Doge hits 2.8 all the time, Baby Doge pumps. It hit 2.8 back here on the 22nd of January. It pumped. We did the same thing over here. We hit 2.8 very briefly down here around the 18th of February, a month after that first initial pump, and then we pumped. If we hit 2.8 again, we may just pump after that because we always pump after we hit 2.8. And if we hit 2.4, then that's a guaranteed pump. But look, we hit 2.8 back here again, the 9th of January. We hit 2.8, we pumped. This is a very significant level for Baby Doge. We hit this was 2.6 back here, and then we started the pump. But look, around the 2.8 area, this is where we also had more demand around the 5th of January. We pumped when we hit that area. So we're seeing this time and time again, 2.8 being that significant area for Baby Doge to hit and then start pumping. So if we see Baby Doge hit 2.8 again, like how we did right here, remember 2.8 pumped, and then we look over here, we had the 2.8 area again, we hit the 2.8 area, and then, well, no, that's actually 3.6, but I already showed it earlier. The 2.8 area right here, we hit that area, pumped. If we can do this again, then we're definitely going to follow this to a T, and we're probably going to pump huge. Now, anyways, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. We're just speculating here. We're just following the patterns in the charts. If we follow this pattern, then we are going to pump after that 2.8 area. Now, if we don't, then 2.4 is imminent, and we're probably going to hit 2.4 right after that. So that's what we got to look at. But anyways, Baby Doge doing some small numbers today, not only down 1.6%. Not too bad, not too shabby. You're seeing a lot of other cryptos down more than 2%, 1.9%. So Bitcoin down 2.9% here. So I don't think this is the bottom yet. I think we may have another pump, possibly back up to 40K before another sell-off. So we could see 35K Bitcoin coming soon again, and then possibly a 33 or a 30K flat Bitcoin. So we just got to sit back and enjoy the show, enjoy the dips, enjoy the discounts. But anyways, today was actually a small day for holders. We only got about 430 new holders today inside Baby Doge. And if you go and look over here, we have 1,432,552 people inside Baby Doge now. And yeah, we got very little bit of holders last night and overnight. So that's 430 to 10.82 trillion coins burned. That's a good amount, but it's not like it's a really significant amount to make it a huge difference. So we still got a lot to go here with Baby Doge. But anyways, we're still seeing a lot of transactions here in Baby Doge. We're seeing whales buying. We're seeing whales selling. When you kind of compare the buys to the sales, you actually see that the buying is kind of outweighing the selling. And that's when you're looking at the major purchases, not just all the small purchases. But when you're looking at the major purchases, you just do the math here. Like if you see over here, this is only a 3.71 trillion sale. Yet when you come back here, you got a 13.12 trillion buy. So you're seeing the buys are being more significant. This is 11.44 trillion buy and a 14.91 trillion sale. But then you look over here, 5.75 trillion buy, 7.84 trillion sale. So it's like neck and neck right now. Like honestly, I think that the bulls right now are really pushing for Baby Doge to go up. The whales are really pushing for Baby Doge to go up. But the people that are really selling out is the paper hands, retail traders. On top of that, we also have some whales, doing some market manipulation where they're really not making money because as they buy and sell baby Doge, they're losing 10% every single time. So it's really not like they're really not making much money off baby Doge if they're trying to trade it. Probably just trying to manipulate the prices. But anyway, shout out to BitGet for showing some love to baby Doge. We got a lot of stuff going on for baby Doge. But anyways, closing it off with this, our wallet tracker, all that good stuff out, Ethereum Bridge, NFT collection, all that good stuff. But what we're coming out for in the future with our utilities, Baby Doge wallet, that's going to be huge. That's going to be one of the things that actually helps Baby Doge rise to the moon. And the Baby Doge physical and virtual debit cards, that's going to be huge. And the Baby Doge exchange, that's going to be big. The arcade is going to be big. And the NFT marketplace is going to be big. So many different avenues for Baby Doge to just go to the moon. So anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I really just wanted to go over all this and let you all know exactly what I think about the market, what's going on inside the market. Like I said, 2.8 support could be coming very soon. And if we break 2.8, then that 2.4 support is going to come. And then on the upside, if we can break above 31.50 and then eventually get all the way up to the 32.50 resistance, and we can continue to pump after that and try to get to 3.8, then we're going to be on a bullish trajectory. So that's pretty much all we need to do to become bullish. And I already told you about all we need to do after the bearish moment and what's going to happen. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. If you want to donate to the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.